Just wanna see the light.
Welcome back to CodeFlow. Today, I am here with quick tutorial on how to screencast keys on Blender. For this you need to download screencast add-ons. Link is provided in the description below. Open a Blender. Under Edit menu, click on Preferences. Choose Add-ons and click on Install. Now from here, choose the file that you downloaded and click on Install Add-on. Installation success. Now you have to enable it. So, again open Preferences. Search for Screencast and enable it. Finally save Preferences. You will get Screencast Keys tab here. To start Screencast, click here. Now, when you press any key or click any button of mouse, it will appear here. You can also increase the font size from here, and also choose the color of the font. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.